All right, so in this problem, we're going to be solving finding the frequency of a character within a given string. So how does this really work? Well, we are given a target, and then we are given a string or phrase, and we're going to see how many times, in this case, does L show up in Hello World? Well, in this case, it shows up once, twice, three times. So then we would return 3. Okay, so how would we do this in the code? Well, this is kind of how it would work. First, we would have to split our input string into the two parts. We would have to take the 0th index, which in this case is L. This would be our target. And then we would skip over the first index and go to the second index and all the way down to the last or the nth index. This would be our phrase. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to traverse this phrase and see, does this character equal this character? And if it does, we're going to increase a frequency variable. So let's see what this looks like. If we start from the first index here, we say, is H equal to L? No. Is E equal to L? No. Is L equal to L? Yes. Increase frequency by 1. Is L equal to L? Yes. Increase frequency by 1. Is L equal to 0? Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. W is not. Keep going, keep going. L is equal to L. Perfect. Increase frequency to 3. And then we reach the end. So how would this look in the code? Let's take a look. So here, we have a simple get frequency function, and we're getting the user input using the input function. And then once we have this input string, so let's say input string is L hello world, how do we get each part? First, we can get the target by saying input string and only getting the 0th index. So here, this would be the 0th index. This is our target. And then, in order to get the phrase, you can say input string from the second index onwards. So from the second, notice how we skipped the first. We're saying from the second index all the way to the end. And that's what that does here. And then from here, we're also going to have our frequency, which is going to be set to 0, as we did here. And then all we're going to do is simply use a for loop in order to traverse the phrase. So for character in phrase, we're going to say, if the character is equal to the target, then we're going to increase frequency by 1. So what we're saying is, if the current character is equal to the target, then increase frequency. If they're not equal, don't do anything. So you'll notice that whenever L is equal to L, it will increase the frequency. That's what that's doing there. And then from here, we can simply return the frequency, and that will give you the output that you're looking for. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.